We want our GPS to guide us to various places, and the process starts by finding those locations. There are many ways to do this and multiple tools to assist us. This versatility is great, but it can also be confusing at first. Let's take a look at some of the more common methods for finding locations. You can type a search term in the search bar and then let the GPS find it. A point of interest can be found by browsing in categories. A previously saved location can be recalled for further use, and these are a few of the tools to help us with that. I use the search bar a lot and find it very useful. Let's now focus on how it works. This is the home, our main menu. Tap Where To take us to the Where To menu. Tap Enter Search to use the search bar. Note the text entry field with the keyboard filling much of the remaining screen. Suggested terms are shown just below, and they can be a big time saver. Tap the X on the right to clear any unwanted text. Tap the question mark on the left to open the Help screen. The Help screen offers a lot of useful information about the search bar. To see it all, you will need to scroll down. So what sort of text do we enter? Well, that depends on the type of location you desire. Are you looking for a type of business or a specific business? Maybe you'll need to find an address or a distant city. Let's explore each of these. To find a type of business, we type in the appropriate category. Need some gas for the car? Start typing gas stations. After only 2 letters, our desired category appears. Tap it to search for nearby gas stations. Here are the search results. By default, we are on list view as indicated by the highlighted icon. Gas stations are listed with the closest one on top. Tap the closest station to show its 4 options. Select Go to start navigating to this location. The double arrows will show routes to this location. P will show nearby parking, and tap the I to view detailed information. This gives us the full address and phone number. Also, the arrival time, how long it'll take to get there, and how far away it is. The right side of the split screen shows a location map and the options to either save or navigate to this station. Tap the Map View icon to switch to this view. The map will be centered on the closest station, and that station will be indicated by a magnified icon and a blue circle. This bottom banner is the location summary, and tapping it will show the same detailed information screen that we saw in the list view. But I don't want to go to this station on 26th Street. I prefer this station on Wellner Drive, seen here as a small blue square. Tap it. The map recenters on this new choice. The magnified icon and the blue circle move to this location. The location summary banner also reflects the change. To find a specific business, type in that business's name. I need to go to Gary Klein Roofing to look at some shingle samples. Start typing the name. After entering Gary and KL, the business appears as a suggestion. Tap it. It appears in the list view, and here are the usual 4 options. Tap the Map View icon to switch from List to Map View. Here's our current location, and here's Gary Klein Roofing, indicated by the rally flag and the blue circle. This is the location summary banner. Tap it to show detailed information, which gives us full name, address, and phone number, time and distance, as well as arrival time. Split screen map with Save and Navigate to options. To find a nearby address, type in the house number followed by the street. I need to pick up a package at 6986 College View Road. Type in the house number and COLL, at which point the correct address is suggested. Tap it to show the location. It's 5.3 miles away to the southeast and located in the small town of Iota. To check the route, click the double arrows routes icon. The suggested route is shown in pink. It's longer but faster. If I click it, navigation will begin using this route as suggested by the green Go icon. But I like the looks of the alternate route. Tap it. Now it is the selected route. The route color changes to blue, and the alternate now contains the green Go icon. Tap it again to start navigation via the alternate blue route. To find a distant city, type in the city name and state. For example, Austin, Texas. You can tap on the suggestion to search on it, but if you prefer to search on the search bar text, tap on the green magnifying glass to search on it. We see it's going to be a long trip of almost 1,000 miles to the south. The map view gives us a good depiction of what we are in for. I want to find an address in Visalia, California. Remember that by default searches are local. So, if we're in Minnesota, but we want to find an address in California, simply giving the house number and street won't work. We must also enter the city and state so that the correct region is searched. It's a lot of typing, but that's what's required using this method. At last, we see the correct location and tap it. It's 1,510 miles to the west. Tap the P to check out the local parking situation. To summarize, most search bar searches will fall into one of these 5 groups. For business types, we enter a category. A specific business requires us to enter the business name. For addresses, enter the house number followed by the street. Enter the city name and state to find a city. If an address is not regional, you must enter the city and state in addition to the house number and street. Well, there's a lot more to this process of finding locations, but hopefully this will get us started.